Introduction. Hey adventurers. Are you already dreaming of your next getaway? With 2025 just around the corner, it's time to start planning those unforgettable trips. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a culture enthusiast, or just looking to relax on a pristine beach, this video is for you. We've scoured the globe to bring you the best travel destinations for 2025. Get ready to fill your wanderlust bucket list. The destinations number # Japan. Beyond the cherry blossoms, first up, Japan continues to be a top contender, but for 2025, we're looking beyond just cherry blossoms. Think Hokkaido in winter for world-class skiing and snow festivals, or exploring the ancient spiritual trails of the Kumano-Kodo pilgrimage route in warmer months. With the yen still favorable, your travel budget stretches further, allowing you to dive deeper into its incredible food scene, vibrant cities, and serene natural beauty. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the tranquil temples of Kyoto, Japan offers a perfect blend of tradition and futuristic wonder. Patagonia, a trekker's dream if you crave dramatic landscapes and epic adventures. Patagonia is calling your name, spanning Chile and Argentina. 2025 is an ideal year to explore its majestic glaciers, towering peaks like Fitzroy and pristine national parks. With increasing focus on sustainable tourism, it's easier to find eco-friendly tours that minimize your impact while maximizing your awe. Whether you're trekking in Torres del Paine or exploring Perito Moreno Glacier, the sheer scale of nature here is breathtaking. Egypt. The Grand Egyptian Museum awaits. Egypt is experiencing a renaissance for travelers. 2025 is set to be a monumental year. The much-anticipated Grand Egyptian Museum is expected to be fully operational. It's offering an unparalleled deep dive into ancient Egyptian history, including the complete Tutankhamun collection. Imagine seeing these artifacts in a state-of-the-art facility. Beyond the gem, the timeless allure of the pyramids. Nile cruises and Luxor's temples continue to make Egypt an iconic and transformative journey. Slovenia, Europe's green gem for those seeking a blend of natural beauty, charming cities, and outdoor activities without the crowds. Slovenia is a must-visit for 2025. This hidden gem in Central Europe boasts Julian Alps scenery, picturesque Lake Bled, stunning caves, and a vibrant capital in Ljubljana. It's incredibly accessible, safe, and committed to sustainable tourism. Hike, cycle, raft, or simply soak in the serene landscapes. Slovenia offers a refreshing European escape. South Korea, K-culture, and beyond South Korea continues its rise as a global hotspot. In 2025 is the year to experience its captivating blend of ancient traditions and hyper-modern culture. Dive into the pulsating energy of Seoul, explore the historic villages of Jeonju, or relax on the volcanic island of Jeju. With the global popularity of K-pop, K-dramas, and Korean cuisine, there's an undeniable buzz. Expect seamless public transport, incredible food at every turn, and unique experiences from bustling markets to peaceful temples. The Pacific Northwest USA. Nature's playground. Stay closer to home, or explore domestically in the U.S. with a trip to the Pacific Northwest. Covering Oregon and Washington State, 2025 is perfect for road tripping through diverse landscapes. Think lush rainforests in Olympic National Park, volcanic wonders at Mount Rainier, stunning coastlines, and vibrant cities like Seattle and Portland, known for their coffee, craft beer, and culinary scenes. It's an ideal destination for nature lovers and urban explorers alike. Morocco. Desert dreams and ancient cities for an intoxicating blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. Morocco remains a top choice for 2025. Wander through the labyrinthine souk of Fez. Marvel at the vibrant blues of Chefchaouen, experience the magic of a Sahara Desert camel trek, or relax in a riad in Marrakesh. With improving infrastructure and diverse offerings from bustling medinas to serene coastal towns, Morocco offers an exotic adventure that's both accessible and deeply immersive. Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada. Wild beauty looking for somewhere truly unique and off the beaten path. Head to Newfoundland and Labrador in Canada for 2025. This easternmost province offers rugged coastlines, iceberg alley views, Viking history at Lonso Meadows, and charming, colorful fishing villages. It's a place of immense natural beauty, rich history, and incredibly friendly locals. Perfect for whale watching, hiking, and immersing yourself in a distinct Canadian culture. Sicily, Italy, Island of Wonders. While Italy is always popular, Sicily stands out for 2025. This large Mediterranean island offers a captivating mix of ancient Greek and Roman ruins, active volcanoes like Mount Etna, stunning beaches, and a distinct, delicious cuisine. Explore vibrant markets in Palermo, discover the Valley of the Temples, or relax in Taormina with its incredible views. Sicily offers all the charm of Italy, with a unique historical and cultural twist. Bhutan. The last Shangri-La for a truly transformative and exclusive experience. Consider Bhutan. This Himalayan kingdom operates on a high-value, low-pack tourism policy. It's making 2025 an ideal time if you seek cultural immersion and serene landscapes away from mass tourism. Explore ancient monasteries clinging to cliffs, hike through pristine valleys, and experience a culture deeply rooted in gross national happiness. It's a destination that truly redefines travel. Conclusion. So there you have it, our top picks for the best travel destinations in 2025. From the ancient wonders of Egypt to the wild beauty of Patagonia, there's a world of adventure waiting for you. Which of these destinations is calling your name the loudest?